So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set online purchase payment method in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account in your computer, and after that get on the top right corner on your name and now select account settings. Now guys, scroll down on your left and you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this, and now the first category is shown right here called your preferred way to pay. Now under this category select this set button and now choose one of the options. If you want to pay for the online purchases with your PayPal balance, then select this, and if you want to pay online purchases with your debit or credit card, then select this, and after that you guys just need to select on confirm. So that's how you guys can set your preferred way to pay online. And after selecting done, now you guys have successfully set your online purchase payment method in your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.